third placer. Best conductor. Best conductor sa senior. Third placer, congratulations sa inyo. De La Paz National High School.
Ogo, best conductor.
Third place.
Tatanggap yan ng 2,000 pesos at certificate. Yan. Okay, all smiles. All smiles po, all smiles. Ayan. Next.
Second place, Best Conductor Senior Category. Congratulations to Our Lady of Peace School.
Tatanggap naman sila ng 3,000 pesos at sertipiko ng pagkilala.
Best Conductor, asa na? Sir,
Best conductor!
saan ka man naroroon?
Ayun. Kita ko na siya.
Nakikita ka namin. O, palakpakan naman sa conductor ng BMC. Kanina, partner, nakita ko to, basang-basa ng pawis. At ang Best Conductor 2024 Drum and Lyre Competition High School San Jose National High School. Palada mo!
Tatanggap yan ng 5,000 piso at sertipiko mula kay Mayor June Inares. Atras, kuya, sorry.
Susunod na kategorya, Best in Music. Best in Music, Senior Category, third placer. Congratulations!
2K to, 2,000 at certificate.
Best in Music, third place. Congratulations! Sumulong Memorial High School. Parada nyo, Pennywise. Second place, Best in Music,
Natatanggap
Senior.
ng 3,000 at certificate.
Tawagin natin ang Best in Music Senior Category, San Jose National High School.
Again, sila itatanggap ng second place to sir, no? 3,000 at certificate.
Brooks, congratulations. Best in Music Champion.
5,000 pesos at certificate, sir.
Congratulations agad. The Blue Marching Condors, Our Lady of Peace School. Best in Music. Susunod na kategorya, partner, senior category.
Yep.
Best in uniform.
Alright, third place.
Third place, congratulations! Antipolo Immaculate Conception School. Best in uniform, third placer.
2,000 pesos yan at certificate. Shout out AICS! Alma mater ko naman yan, sir, sa high school. Let's go!
Second placer.
3K at certificate.
Second placer, best in uniform, senior category, nakuha ng Sumulong Memorial High School.
Pennywise.
At ang Best in Uniform ngayong 2024 Drum and Lyre Competition sa high school ay nasungkit ng San Jose National High School. Boots!
Oh, ito yung mga nag-Les Miserables. Les Miserables. Let's go.
Hoy! Best in uniform yon. Susunod na kategorya, Madlang People,
Tingin sa official.
Best Majorette. Best Majorette, third placer. Best
2K.
Majorette, third placer,
2K certificate.
Antipolo Immaculate Conception School.
Let's go! Si Ma'am Belly, oh. Hi, Ma'am Belly. Okay.
Best Majorette, second placer,
Tatanggap naman nila 3,000 at certificate of recognition.
congratulations sa Majorette ng San Jose National High School. Bugs!
Eto, ayan, yan. Pinaiyak ako kanina niyan. Kasi umiyak siya nung tapos na yung performance. Naiyak din ako. Okay. Ang kikinang ng ating mga lovely ladies from San Jose National High School.
At ang champion, Best Majorette, senior category, partner, magkano tatanggapin ito?
Champion ay tatanggap ng 5,000 piso at sertipiko ng pagkilala.
Congratulations, Best Majorette, senior category, Sumulong Memorial High School.
Congratulations, mga Pennywise! Best majorette lang naman.
Susunod na kategorya, partner, Best Pit Section.
O, pit section.
Pit Section, third placer, congratulations, Our Lady of Peace School.
Third place,
Pit
2,000. And certificate.
Second placer, Best Pit Section, nakuha naman ng De La Paz National High School.
Congratulations, you will take home 3,000 pesos and the certificate of recognition. Ang mga Disney princess. Smile sa official photographer natin.
Ang champion, Best Speed Section sa senior category, nakuha ng San Jose National High School.
5,000 pesos ang sertipiko ng pagkilala. Congratulations, you guys. Tingin sa official, ha? Tingin sa official.
Susunod, partner, Best Color Guard.
Yun na. Eto na.
Best Color Guard, third placer. Punta na sa harapan, San Jose National High School.
2,000 pesos at sertipiko ng pagkilala. Congratulations, color guards. Ang blocking ha, ang blocking. Compress, tapos baba. Tapos, tingin sa official.
Color guard, second placer. Congratulations. Sumulong Memorial High School.
3,000 pesos at sertipiko ng pagkilala. Congratulations, you guys. Compress po tayo, compress. Sa official, yung naka-ID. Ayan, yung naka-inim. Okay.
At ang
Next.
Best Color Guard 2024 Drum and Lyre Competition High School napunta sa De La Paz National High School.
Wow! Ang mga Disney princess. Gusto ko talaga yung ano nila, sir, yung palda nila, yung wrap. Babsi, gusto ko nito. Pag mag-host tayo, hagat nakaganyan tayo. Makinang na pink.
Congratulations. Susunod, partners, madlang people.
Yes!
Best in General Effects.
Ayan na.
Third placer.
2K! Certificate!
Congratulations, Sumulong Memorial High School.
Yeah!
GE.
General effects. Compress po, compress. Thank you.
Ibig sabihin, maganda yung mga general effects nito, mga to, partner. Second placer.
3K certificate.
Best in General Effects, congratulations, San Jose National High School.
Hakot din. Humahakot. Smile, everyone.
At ang Best in General Effects sa High School 2024, congratulations, Our Lady of Peace School.
5K. Congratulations.
Susunod na kategorya, Best Keyboard Percussion.
Oh.
Third placer, congratulations! Keyboard Percussion, nasungkit ng Our Lady of Peace School.
Third place.
Keyboard
2,000
percussion.
pesos. Go, go, go. Compress po tayo. Yuko, upo-upo para kita yung mga kasama natin sa likod.
Second placer, Best Keyboard Percussion, nakuha naman ng De La Paz National High School.
Tatanggap sila ng 3,000 pesos at sertipiko ng pagkilala. Alright, everybody, all smiles.
At ang Best Keyboard Percussion 2024,
Natatanggap ng 5,000 piso. Champion to, sir? Champion ba?
champion sa senior category, congratulations to San Jose National High School. Susunod, Best in Visuals. Best in Visual Senior Category. category, third placer is... O, balik na kayo. San Jose National High School.
Go!
Best in Visual. Third place. Second placer, Best in Visual, Senior category. Congratulations! Sumulong Memorial High School.
Hakot!
Best in Visuals. At ang Best in Visual 2024 Dramelar Competition sa Senior nakuha ng Blue Marching Condors, Our Lady of Peace School. Susunod na kategorya, Best Drumline.
Drumline.
Third placer,
Mahigpit din ang labanan dito. Tatanggap yan ng 2,000 pesos at sertipiko ng pagkilala.
Best Drumline, De La Paz National High School. Third place,
Drumline. Op!
Best Drumline, second placer,
Thank you. Second placer, tatanggap naman yan ng 3,000 piso at ng sertipiko ng pagkilala.
Best Drumline, ladies and gentlemen, goes to San Jose National High School.
Ayan na nga.
O, yung mga mananambol.
Sina Jean Valjean. Charay. Congratulations.
Mamaya na kayo mag-picture, ha?
Okay.
Second placer yan, di ba? San Jose
Yes.
National High School. At ang magaling mga mananambol. First
Drumline.
placer, Drumline, Senior category.
5,000 and certificate of recognition.
Congratulations, Our Lady of Peace School! Oh, mga mananambol.
Op, 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 op. Yung mga nandito na, adjust tayo ng blocking. Yan.
Ayan, partner. Tapos na yung mga special awards sa senior. Dadako na tayo sa major awards.
Okay.
Alternate tayo.
Congratulations sa mga nanalo.